Hi, this is Ann from SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to download files from DesignBundles and upload them to Cricut Design Space on a Mac or PC. All right, let's get started. All right, I'm here at DesignBundles.net and I've already logged in. So now I'll come up here to the top where my name is, and then I'll come down here to Purchases. I'll scroll down to the file I want to download. I think I'm going to download this one. This is actually a font, but I'm going to also show you what to do with an SVG. So I'm going to go ahead and download the files now. When I click that, it'll give me this little drop down area. Yours will probably end in a .zip file. So it'll be .zip, and that's the one you'll want to download. Now I don't actually have any zip files here, but I have downloaded some in the Plus program. So we'll come over here so I can show you what to do with a zip file. I'm going to go ahead and download these Christmas trees. So when I do that and click download now, if you're using Google Chrome, your download is going to come right down here to the bottom left. If you're using a different browser, it's going to go in a different place, but all the downloads usually end up in the downloads folder. So on Chrome, I'm going to click on this little caret and choose Show in Finder. Yours might say something a little different. It might say go to downloads folder or something like that. But here I am in my downloads folder. If you're on a PC, your downloads will probably be somewhere over on the left. You can just choose that folder there. Usually it's in your favorites. Okay, so I've got this zip file. On a Mac, all I have to do is double click it and it'll unzip it. If you're on a PC, you'll want to right click and then choose Extract or Extract All from the list. So when we unzip the file, it'll make this little folder, and I'm going to double click that, and now I can see all the files that are inside the folder. If you're using Cricut Design Space, you're going to want the SVG file. So that's the one that ends in .svg. You won't want the PNG files unless you're doing something like print and cut. If you're wanting to cut vinyl, SVG is the one for Cricut. Okay, so let's open Cricut Design Space. You'll want to go ahead and log in if you haven't already. And now I'm just going to go to New Project. I'll choose Upload and Upload Image. And now I'm going to navigate to where that file is. You can either click on it and drag in like this, or you can browse here and then go to your downloads and find the file. Now this file came with a lot of separated files. If I choose this SVG folder, I have each Christmas tree separated out, and I don't really want to do that because I like to see them all at once. So I'm going to choose the Christmas Tree All version and choose Open. And this will give me the bundle of trees all at once. I'm going to come down here and click Save. Then I'm going to click on it and then Insert Images. So now I have all the Christmas trees at once. I'm going to come down here and zoom out a little bit, and now I'll click on this. They're all in a group, so I'll come over here and ungroup. Now I can choose the ones I want. I want to work with this striped one, and I'll hold Shift and select this polka dot one. And maybe I want this stars one too. So I've got my Shift key held down, and I'm going to work with those three only. Now I'm going to cut those with Control X or Command X. Then I'll select all and just delete those, and then I'll paste in with Command V or Control V. So now I have the three Christmas trees that I want to work with. I can select all and resize. I can move them around separately, and I can even rotate them if I want to. I'm going to go ahead and attach these so they're all on one mat, and then I'll come over here to make it. I need to make sure, I've zoomed in a lot, but I need to make sure that my design fits on my 12-inch mat, so I need to make it a little bit smaller. And now I can just go up and make it. And it's put them all on the same mat for me. The next step would be to load your mat into your machine and just continue through the steps. And that's it, it's that easy. Alright, if you like this video, please click the like button, and I'll see you next week with another SVG cut file tutorial. Thank you!